Is it okay if I'm the same? I'm catching feelings from all the dealings. Am I astray?
Yo, what's up fam, it's been a while and today I'm back with another video on how to make RGB split effect in Hitfilm Express. Enjoy the video.
I'm not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
So what we are basically doing right now is creating single RGB channels for all our layers so we can tweak them later. And I recommend saving all the histogram level settings as presets so you can use them later.
I won't deny, her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her I'll be in the grave or under a type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
You can use effects like spherical warp and radial blow to make the effects look more interesting. And don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I drop a next video, and comment down below which tutorial we should do next. Peace out.